Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do What's New Wednesday. I have a stationery Happy Mail haul. So let's get into it. First up, I don't remember who I was watching or where I saw this, but I was able to find these at Amazon by Line, I think it is. There are the adhesive pockets, very similar to the pockets that are sold at Target. So if you don't have a Target, these are an option. So there's 25 per pack. They also come with little labels that you can use for something else. This is just basically cardstock. So they measure 4 by 3.5, and I think these are just a little bit bigger than the Target version. Let me grab one. So this is a Target version. The backing paper is larger than the actual pocket. So the actual pocket is, I think they're 3.5 by 3.5. Yeah, so these are 3.5 by 3.5 and hard to find. Sometimes they're wrinkled up like this, which I don't like. But as you can see, this one is nice and smooth. And let's see. I think I do need to put one in one of my sticker books that I made. So let's see how it goes. Does this one already have them? Yeah. Let's see. Well, I may have put them in all of the books so far. Let's see if I can, what else I got here. I can put one on the actual cover. I don't want to put it on the outside though. So it can go on here like this. And I'm pretty sure you can remove these if you need to. It does have a branding embossing on here though. I think I can't really tell what it says, but there is something on the little flap. So it's not 100% brand free. It doesn't look quite as clear as the other ones. Maybe that's just the adhesive and it'll take time for it to blend in. Did I get an air bubble? Yep. So yeah, you can lift it up. Let's see if we can get rid of the air bubble. Okay, so, and I'm sure it works just like the other pockets. Let's slide something in there. So you do get a little more width with these. Voila, works. Okay, so that is a great find for those that cannot find it, and Target doesn't have those in the dollar spot or bullseye spot, whatever they call it. Now, they don't have those in that area year round. Usually they're in back to school, another back to school item. The last two times I went to Target, the dollar spot was basically empty. So these can be ordered online from Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description box below. So I recently received my PR from StiKeys, and let's see what we got. So I really like these. These have the little discs, like Happy Planner disc look. You can put your header and list your to-dos or whatever you need to list. So that's that one. Here's another one that's list style. You can put a header here, lists. You can even put some little stickers on these. This is a repeat. I think it was just an additional one. So this one is really unique and cute. It has the hanging plants. Is that ivy? I'm not sure what kind of plant that is. If you know what kind of plant that is, let me know in the comments. Then here's another one with the discs for the bullet points. And this one is rainbow colored. So I'll put that one with my list ones. This is deco. And then these two have the tree branches at the top, one in black and white, and one in rainbow colors. Those are very nice. So these are from StiKeys. I'll put all the information about them in the description box below in case you would like to check them out. Next up, I have an order from Crafting by the Pound. I'd asked about some of the stickers that I'm running out of, and they were brought back to the store so that I could order. So let's see what I got. It says Happy Mail, Crafting by the Pound. And let's see. So this is how it's packaged. This is vellum, I think. Card. Rainbow. Yeah, this is vellum. Very nice. I could use the pieces that are partially folded. That's some heavy vellum too. Okay, so this is their packing slip, which is very unique. I think it's pretty cute. So this is my order. I'll go over the freebies later. So I got some more of the This Week stickers. These are the ones that I really wanted, but I guess they just come in these sampler sheets now. So I got 2 of the This Week, and then I got 2, I think, of the trash cans. Yes. So I got a few to hold me over. Then this is a freebie. It says, I am a force to be reckoned with. This is a, Sarah Elizabeth Prince cleaning sampler. Wow, that's nice. Then this is some washi sample card or washi card. Is that the washi that's used on here? No, it's a different washi. And then this is a sampler from Pookie Bear Cuties. So there is that. So all of that is from my order from Crafting by the Pound. I have an order here from Coco's Vision. Let's see what I got. More stickers. So let's see. This is the journaling card that comes with Coco's Vision. Then these are the doll stickers. So I got Ava, Pasha, I think her name is. This is Coffee First. I like this look. This would be my look when I lived further north, and when it was cold. I like stuff like that. But this is Sam. I think this is Tasha or Taisha. And then this is So What. So those are the doll stickers that I got from Coco's Vision. This is from Beyond Paper Flowers. I'm stocking up, getting ready for October. So, and I've never ordered from Beyond Paper Flowers before. Again, I will put all the links and information to where I got these things or the shops in the description box below. Coco's Vision, I do have a code for them, so that will be in the description box below. Okay, that's my packing slip. Let's see what we got. It's got some cute little stickers on the packaging. So first, there is this adhesive pocket. I think this might be a freebie. I don't recall ordering this. Yeah, I think this is a freebie, and that's a nice freebie. And it's kind of like a hollow look to it, okay? This is a sampler. It's got the purple foil on it. Hope that's coming through. Then let's see what else we got here. I think that's part of my order. Here's another sampler from Beyond Paper Flowers. And these can fit right into this pocket, I think. Yep. And then this is part of my order. This is bats with a silver foil on the wings. And let's see. So this kit is based on the movie Practical Magic. That is one of my favorite movies. When I saw this, I was just like, oop, got to have it. I think Beyond Paper Flowers did a really good job capturing the theme of the movie, the look of the movie, I guess you would say. Yeah, because when I saw the kit, I think I saw it on Instagram, I knew exactly what it was. I was like, oh, that's Practical Magic. So yeah, I had to get it. So I picked that up. I'm gonna have too many kits for October, but I'm planning on using that for that. And then I grew up with the Addams Family. I don't know about this new stuff, but the original Addams Family, watching that. So when I saw this, I had to have it. I thought it was really cute, and the full boxes are very detailed. So I am happy with my order, and then it's not too many stickers, just enough. And I think you get to choose which sheets you want, if I remember correctly. So very nice. And that is it for this What's New Wednesday. I'll link all the information in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.